Low-cost bike ramp.
Just lean it next to your rack and save your back.
Ramps for e-bike rack can cost over $100 and they only work for specific brands. Why not use this $40 solution to use with most any brand? This pet ramp is on sale sometimes for as little as $40 with free shipping. Supports up to 150 pounds, 61 inches long, weighs only 11 pounds and ships to store free. Different style bikes, racks, and vehicles. Watch the ramp in action. Just one more thing, a small adjustment if you happen to need it. If you notice some slipping from the pet ramp, you can easily notch out the pet ramp as shown here.
Just lean it next to your rack and save your back.
Thank you for watching.